3.
So in the case of human rights, we have some negative side also. So they introduced the new landlord system in 1815 that destroyed all the semindar system, which means that is the beginning stage of the next rules and regulations, means rigid rules and regulations which were framed by the Britishers. At the same time, the British society, which means the English East India Company society, also witnessed social practices like child marriage, polygamy and rigid caste system. In that period also, the society of India followed polygamy, the caste system and child marriage. This is the negative side of the impact of British rule in India, which connected to the point human rights. Okay. The next one. The British also introduced the English language to India, establishing education department in provinces and affiliated universities in Calcutta, Madras and Bombay in 1857. So in 1857, they gave more importance to education. Okay, they built some colleges and universities in the places of Kolkata, Madras and Bombay. This is also the another impact in the field of other development, which means that other development is very much connected to the education system. Clear? And also the railway, it is not there, but the railway means the transportation system, that is also included in the other development. Okay, nowadays we continuously using the transport, means a railway system for the transport, that also introduced by the Britishers during that period. Okay, it is also very helpful for the peoples living in the society. Clear? Okay, next one. Next to the democracy. So the British colonial rule correlates positively with the democracy levels and independence. British colonial rule is not strongly associated with the democracy levels. 30 years after independence, Britain Taylor fine. Recolonization policies to individual colonies, democratic development. So according to the British rule, democracy played an important role in every aspects. Clear? So that the feelings of democracy comes in the year 1857. We already learned about 1857 revolt, which means the Sepoy revolt, that is commonly called the first war of independence. Okay. From that period onwards, all the Indian people have the feelings of nationalism and we should have some what is that? That democracy, like that feeling comes from the 1857 to 1947. India got independence. Okay, so the term democracy, which means the democracy connected to the people, so people rule all the things. So the term democracy is very much connected to the impact of British rule in India during that period till now. Clear? So that is the next one. Next, commercialization. So there is two types of commercialization: forced commercialization and oppression of peasants. Both are in a different aspects. So commercialization in the sense to give more importance to trade and commerce. Clear? In the period of Britishers gave more importance to the trade and commerce. Okay, for the benefit of Britishers, at the same time for the benefit of some Indian people like landlords. Okay, the landlords of the Indian people are very much connected to the Britishers. Why? Because they acted as the mediators between the Britishers and the normal people. So the term commercialization is very much connected to the Britishers, at the same time the landlords, people who are belonging in the Indian community or Indian